Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in a Jaguar E-Pace key fob. This is a simple process that you can do at home in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's access the emergency key. On the side of your E-Pace key fob, you'll find a small, discreet release button. Press and hold this button down firmly. While holding it, gently slide out the emergency key blade. This key is essential for the next step as it reveals the access point for the battery compartment. Keep it safe nearby. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force. Once open, you can easily remove the old CR2032 coin cell battery from its compartment. It should pop right out. Finally, let's install the new battery and reassemble the fob. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive side facing upwards. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently press them together until they click securely into place. Lastly, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it's locked. Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.